Good morning, have a rest day. Now this is my homework, lesson 1. Thread the needle, thread the needle. Throw the ball, throw the ball. My throat is sore, my throat is sore. A thrilling ride, a thrilling ride. 3 more days. 3 more days. Yesterday he threw the ball. Yesterday he threw the ball. The king sits on a throne. The king sits on a throne. Lesson 2. Oh no, I knew this weather will give us this trouble. I need to phone my mother and my father, tell them I love them. Calm down, breathe, have a faith. We will arrive safely. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.